Looking for a compact, high-quality dash cam for your car? Check out the 4K Mini Dash Cam front camera. Packed with features to keep your drive safe and recorded in stunning clarity. 4K Ultra HD recording. Capture every detail on the road with crystal-clear 4K resolution. Perfect for both day and night driving. Wi-Fi and app connectivity. Connect to your phone via Wi-Fi to view, download, and share footage instantly through the app. Voice control. Use voice commands to start recording, take snapshots, or lock important videos. Hands-free and safe. Advanced safety features. Includes G-sensor for collision detection, 24-hour parking mode, and loop recording so you never miss a moment. Night vision and large storage support. Equipped with night vision for clear footage in the dark, and supports up to 256 gigabytes memory cards, 32 gigabytes included to get you started. High-resolution 4K video ensures every detail is captured. Voice control and app connectivity make it super easy to use while driving. Safety-focused features like G-sensor and 24H parking mode add peace of mind. Wi-Fi setup can be a bit tricky for first-time users. Small size means some touchscreen controls may feel compact to operate. Overall, the 4K Mini Dash Cam front camera is a compact, feature-packed solution for keeping your drive safe, secure, and fully recorded. Grab your 4K Mini Dash Cam on Amazon today. Link in the description and start recording every drive in stunning 4K.